Are you tired of dealing with slow internet speeds and poor Wi-Fi coverage? Look no further. This video is the ultimate guide to optimizing your Wi-Fi network for maximum speed and coverage, featuring expert tips and tricks that will help you get the most out of your wireless connection. Hello, and welcome back to our channel, New Tech Made Easy. In today's world, Wi-Fi has become an essential part of our daily lives. Whether it's for work or leisure, we rely on Wi-Fi to stay connected. With the increasing number of devices and the growing demand for faster internet, it has become crucial to optimize our Wi-Fi network for maximum speed and coverage. The importance of optimizing Wi-Fi network speed and coverage cannot be overstated. A slow or weak Wi-Fi signal can cause frustration and hamper productivity in today's remote working environment. We will cover the importance of choosing the right router, placement of access points, network settings, and additional tips that can help improve the performance of your Wi-Fi network. By following the tips discussed in this video, you can improve the performance of your Wi-Fi network and enjoy uninterrupted internet access. Whether you're working from home or streaming your favorite show, a fast and reliable Wi-Fi network can make all the difference. So make sure to implement these tips and enjoy the benefits of a fast and reliable Wi-Fi network. Let's get started. Choosing the right router. Choosing the right router is an essential step for maximizing the speed and coverage. It can be challenging to choose the right one that meets your needs. There are various types of routers available, including single-band, dual-band, and tri-band routers. A band is just the term for lanes the router broadcasts in, tri meaning 3 lanes. When choosing a router, it's essential to consider your needs and the capabilities of each type of router. If you have a small apartment or only a few devices, a single-band router may be sufficient. However, if you have a larger home or office, a dual-band or tri-band router may be necessary to provide sufficient coverage and faster internet speeds. When choosing a router, it's important to consider the internet speed you need. Routers have different speed ratings, and choosing the appropriate speed can significantly impact the performance of your Wi-Fi network. The 3 frequencies used are 2.4, 5, and 6 GHz. Another critical factor to consider when choosing a router is its range. The range of a router is the distance that the Wi-Fi signal can travel. If you have a large home or office, you may need to choose a router with a higher range to ensure full coverage. The lower the frequency, the higher the range. 2.4 goes up to 300 feet outside. When selecting a router, it's important to consider the different types of routers, their capabilities, and your needs. You should also determine the appropriate speed and range for your router to ensure fast and reliable internet connectivity. By choosing the right router, you can enjoy the benefits of a fast and reliable Wi-Fi network. Placement of access points. Placement of access points is a crucial factor that affects the speed and coverage of a Wi-Fi network. Access points are the devices that emit Wi-Fi signals, and their placement can significantly impact the quality of the signal received by the devices in the network. It is essential to place access points in a location where the signal can reach all the areas where devices are used. Identifying the best location for access points is vital. It is recommended to place access points in open areas with a clear line of sight to the devices. This helps in reducing the impact of obstacles, such as walls, furniture, and other objects that can interfere with the signal. Access points should be placed in a central location, where the signal can reach all the corners of the house or office. Network settings. Network settings can have a significant impact on the speed and coverage of your Wi-Fi network. In this section, we will discuss some common network settings that affect Wi-Fi performance and provide tips on how to optimize these settings for maximum speed and coverage. A key setting that affects Wi-Fi performance is the channel used by the router. Wi-Fi routers use different channels to transmit data, and some channels can be more congested than others. The channel your router uses can have a significant impact on your network's speed and coverage. The channel can be changed by accessing the admin portal of your router. Another setting that can affect Wi-Fi performance is the security protocol used by the network. WIFI, WPA, and WPA2 are some of the commonly used security protocols. Optimizing your Wi-Fi network settings can significantly improve network performance. By following the tips mentioned above, you can choose the right channel, security protocol, and transmit power to maximize the speed and coverage of your Wi-Fi network. Regularly updating your router's firmware ensures that your device is running the latest software version with improved features and bug fixes. which can boost the performance and security of your Wi-Fi network. Avoid placing your router near other electronics or appliances that emit radio waves will reduce signal interference, microwaves, fridges, or any other high-voltage device. This was it for our today's video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.